Hey guys, Cleaning Cocktails, Route Nation. We're back again. We're still here. We haven't gone anywhere. Day 3 at the ISSA Vegas show. I'm here with Carlos, my boy. I think we spoke at a conference a couple years ago, right?
We did a social media content creating workshop.
Yeah. So you guys, Carlos has been coming here, or been in the industry for 30 years. Carlos, I wanted to ask you, what you keep coming back, right? And which people can't see, but we got the family behind us. What keeps you coming back year over year at these kind of shows?
You know, a lot of things. Mainly, you get to see what's new, where technology is taking things, right? And every year there's something new in the market. But the biggest thing for me is coming to see some people that we know, the networking part of it, talking shop with people like you, being in different networking groups, just trying to get that value out of, peers sharing their stuff with us. So
okay,
yeah.
Now, if you have never checked out Dura-Shine, make sure you check them out. He's got a great social media presence. But Carlos, so we're at the end of 2023. We're going into 2024. What kind of excitement do you have for 2024? Not just for you as the business owner, but for you and the Dura-Shine team and what you're trying to do.
Well, always trying to be better. We're trying to always come out here and talk to people like you and other of these vendors, see what we can take away so we can incorporate into our business to run better, more efficiently, be more profitable, trying to streamline some things. So we're just excited to be, know people like you. You're very involved. Obviously, you're very innovative. Your system is great. And so we want to see how we can integrate some of that stuff into our processes so we can become better. So it's always about quality, delivering quality, and becoming better in the process.
Now, so I was just thinking about this, Carlos, as we're talking too. Is you guys? So I see Carlos maybe once a year, two times a year max, right? Yeah. But when we saw each other, it's a hug, it's a what's up, how you been, how you doing, how's the family? You would have thought we grew up together. We're from the same high school. We see each other once or twice a year. So that is. Do you feel like that is what the cleaning community is becoming and is?
Yeah, and that's why you keep coming back. Excited to see people that you see in the industry. You're in Chicago. I'm in Washington State.
Opposite sides.
Opposite side, exactly. But when we come out here, we spend some time. We kind of catch up, and so it's always nice to see the friends of friends in the industry, see how they're doing, what they're doing to take their cleaning to the next level, and we're just trying to do the same thing. So yeah, it's exciting.
Awesome. Well, hey man, thank you so much. I appreciate you, bro.
Likewise, brother.